Welcome to PuntaCanavilla.com, where your key to luxury living awaits in this charming two-bedroom condo for sale in Punta Cana. Starting at just $98,750, this two-bedroom, two-bathroom condo spans 775 square feet, providing secure and blissful living in a gated community. Located on the second floor with a balcony, this condo offers the perfect blend of luxury and tropical living. Enjoy a fully equipped gym, a refreshing swimming pool with a gazebo, and a dedicated sports area. Two children's areas, a tranquil walking track, and ample parking spaces for guests make this condo community truly special. Seize the opportunity with a payment plan starting with a reservation fee of $1,000, followed by 10% after signing the contract, 20% during construction, and the final 70% upon property delivery. Contact us today, and let your Pueblo Bavaro journey begin.